Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We got our space buns on and we are ready to go. So today for this Galaxy makeup tutorial, I'm going to start off just doing my face like normal. Starting off with some primer and then just buffing in some foundation with my beauty blender. I personally bake under my eyes with a bit of translucent powder, only because this is a problem area for me. I don't think that every person should bake. I believe that should your skin call for it, if you have the skin type that requires it, or if you have a problem area, go for it, but I wouldn't say that everyone should bake. I then powdered the rest of my face with a powder foundation, and then I fill in my brows. I took a light brown contour color and just contoured ever so slightly under my cheekbones. I didn't want to contour too much as I didn't want to cover it all up with the Galaxy. I wasn't sure how far the Galaxy would go out yet, so I just lightly contoured. I also contoured my temples and then brushed away the bake. I then took some blue eyeshadow and blended it into my crease. You're going to want to drag it down a little bit onto your lid, because when you pack the pink eyeshadow onto your lid and blend that up, the blue and the pink is going to mix together and create a beautiful purple shade. Then your eye look will have this beautiful gradient from blue to purple to pink. I then took a pinkish purplish eyeshadow and just smoked that out on my lower lid. You could also take a pink shimmer and pack that onto your eyelid, but I decided against it for this look. I then created a winged eyeliner. And put on some mascara. Okay, starting with the Galaxy, I created mine a little bit more pastel than some people would, but I didn't want it too bright and I didn't want it conflicting with the eye look. So I took a light blue eyeshadow and started blending that over my nose and my cheeks. I tried to not blend it too perfectly as I wanted it to be a little patchy, so that when I put the pink on, there will be multiple shades of Galaxy on my face. Here I'm starting with the pink and I'm just dotting that on all along the blue and blending out slightly. And then I added just a smidge of purple as well, just to break up the color a little. You're going to want to highlight the tip of your nose, the bridge of your nose, your cheekbones and your cupid's bow, and then you can start on your stars. To create the stars I just did little dots as well as actual little stars, and the way that I did the stars, I just did a center line and then created a cross over that, and then if I felt like it needed another line crossing over, I just added that on, but that's up to you and that's your personal preference. I then decided to connect the stars to create sort of like a constellation almost. My favorite thing about this is that it's completely artist's choice, you know. You can let your creativity flow and you can have as many or as little stars as you want in your Galaxy. I feel as though I went a little overboard, but I liked it. To finish off this look, I'm painting my lips with black lipstick And while the lipstick is still tacky, I'm going to pack on some purple shimmery eyeshadow with my finger. There you have it, your galaxy look is done. You can throw on some setting spray and go have a ball. And if your friends don't tell you that you look out of this world, you need new friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Feel free to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!